Programming your Dodge Charger key fob is straightforward, but it depends on your vehicle's year. If you've lost your fob or need to add a new one, follow the right method for your model. For Chargers from 2005 to 2017, you can often program the fob yourself using the ignition cycle method. However, models from 2018 and newer have enhanced security that typically requires a visit to the dealership or using a diagnostic tool. Programming enables essential functions like remote start, locking and unlocking doors, and the panic alarm to alert others in emergencies. Before starting, make sure you have the correct fob for your Charger's year and trim level, such as SXT or RT. Using the wrong fob can prevent successful programming. For those newer models requiring tools, an OBD2 scanner like this one can help with the programming process. A mismatch between the fob and your charger can lead to programming failure, so always verify compatibility first. For older Dodge Charger models, self-programming is straightforward. Enter the vehicle with a working key, cycle the ignition to accessory mode a specific number of times, and press the lock-unlock buttons on the new fob in sequence. Always consult your owner's manual for the exact steps for your model year. If self-programming fails, especially on newer Chargers from 2018 onward, you'll likely need professional help. Visit a dealership or use an OBD2 scanner capable of key fob programming. This ensures compatibility and bypasses potential security issues. Looking ahead, Stellantis, Dodge's parent company, is trending towards digital key technology. Use smartphone apps for vehicle access. While physical fobs are still prevalent, expect digital keys to become more common in future models. Always prioritize security. Improper programming can trigger error codes and affect your car's security system.